So our ladies abroad, are they not good wife materials? I want you to answer this question. If you say yes, tell me the reasons why you believe that our ladies abroad are good wife materials. If you say no, I know you have your reasons for saying no. Please comment and tell us why you think our ladies abroad are not good wife materials.
He that findeth a wife findeth a good thing, and also obtain favor from the Lord. Marriage, they say, is for the matured mind. These are two people coming from two different places, two different ethnic groups, two different countries, different places to form a union.
Hello viewers, welcome to this channel, and my name is McDonald Chibuza. Today we are talking on a very special topic. It's going to interest you. Now there are many of our girls abroad who has gone through thick and thin. Now these ladies, they are working abroad, they are doing well. But there is something that very pathetic and interesting that I want to say. These our ladies, are they not wife materials? These our ladies abroad, are they not good for marriage? Now, some of our men in abroad, when they want to marry, after spending some time with these our ladies, they go back to Africa searching for wife materials, searching for girls that they don't even know, or the girls that their people back home has introduced to them. Now I ask, our girls abroad, or our ladies abroad, are they not good wife material? Now, hello there.
Yes.
You are here to represent ladies abroad. I want you to tell us, on your own opinion, our ladies abroad, can they be good wife materials?
Of course, I'll say yes because I have seen it, and I have just seen it because the woman who has been overseas, being overseas, you have gone, it's not a food on the plate. You have gone through and seen, because remember, it's not your own country. You have seen it all, you have hustled so hard. So me, I would say that a woman overseas or abroad can be a good house material.
Now, I want to ask you this question.
Yes, please.
If you think or you believe strongly that our girls abroad can be good wife materials, it's happening every time now and then that when our men abroad who have seen these girls abroad, when it's come for marriage, they travel home to get wife for themselves. Why do they do this?
Actually, you will answer on that, but what I would like to say, some of them, they will say, I want to go back and marry my tribe, or I want to go back because my parents so. But you can be, okay, let me say you phone me on abroad right now as you see me. We have been together 3 years, 4 years, because being with the person all those years, you have seen her characters, the manners and everything. For 4 years, it takes you that this one can be my wife or not. And you go back and find a person, you have just gone back. You have not been with that person for quite some time. And you go back in 6 months, you meet and you get married. You don't know nothing about the person, or you have been communicating through phones, through messages, but you don't know and you're not there. You just met her. How do you know maybe there she had somebody? Or how do you know that? Also, I'm getting back to you. Why do you say that?
No, I want you to answer my question very well.
My question is...
Yeah, I want you to answer me.
Yes.
See, our men abroad,
yes,
they think that these ladies abroad, they are wide. They have seen it all.
Yes.
They are not controllable. They cannot submit.
Yes.
They are rubbing shoulders with them abroad.
Yes.
So in that, they are not supposed to be in the same house as husband and wife.
No.
Don't you think it's true?
No, me, I just say it's not true. It takes a process in everything. Because when you meet a woman, even when you see, I'm so sorry, I'll say, when you see in the Bible, the ministry of God, he liked the ministry according to the women because he knew we are very soft-hearted. You as a man, if you approach me and you see that I have those characters, me, I will submit to you. It depends in which category you have come to me, in which way you have come to me. But some of them, they can come to you, I want to marry you, I want to do this, but yet they are not meaning what they are saying. So that's why even the ladies, they say no. All the men, they are not meaning it. Maybe what they will go back and get married. So why should I be entangled with somebody who does not going to marry me? So that's it.
Yeah, okay. It has been shown that if you can be honest in this, that many of these girls abroad, they are so wide.
So
Okay,
yes.
many of them are wide. Many of
Yes.
them have seen things. Many of them, okay, they have access to many things.
Yes.
So when they stay together in a house with a man, they begin to display that superiority over the man. That they have the same. They are the same level. So I cannot do this. You do this. You do that. The man, as a man and as African man, who wants to play the role of the head in the house.
Yes.
Now you are in abroad, you want to walk and behave like the whites. You want your husband to be subjected to things that you know that in Africa, these things are not applicable in homes.
Yes.
So do you think our men would tolerate such thing? It's so that they go home to get a wife that knows the norms and believes still in the norms in Africa, and who believe that their husband is the head
Yes.
and they are under. So that is one of the reasons. Don't you think it's true?
No, I don't think so. It's true because as the Bible says, train a child in the way he should go. As we African women, I'll go back on the women. Women, it was created that we have to be submissive to men. So it's you who has to show me your trust you have towards me. Me automatically, I'll submit under to you. But for you, you think that because women in abroad, they cannot be submissive because she has seen it all, she has been exposed. We can be submissive and we can be a housewife material.
Now, do you know that most men, most reasonable men, no man would want his marriage to break? There are many divorce going
Yes.
on in abroad.
Yes.
Okay, married today, you divorce tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because they believe that they are in the same category with the man.
Yes.
How you will see a lady that is married, living abroad the husband, and little things she sues for divorce. This is what makes our men, they are afraid of losing their marriages. And this is a hard something, it's emotional.
Yeah.
Any man, when a marriage is broken,
Yeah.
both parties are already broken in
Yes,
them.
yes,
Okay?
yes.
So this is one of the reasons I think that our men prefer going home. They get married, some even leave their wife there while they stay abroad, because they believe that the woman will even accord more respect to him whenever he visits home. The woman will be there to respect him and to be, submissive, rather than being in abroad with a lady who has seen it all, who believes that any little thing she's.
Okay, I just want to ask you, so what you mean that ladies in abroad, they cannot be housewife material? That is my question to you.
No, I didn't say they cannot be.
Yeah.
But based on what we are seeing already,
Okay.
so no man would want to risk it.
Yes.
So I want you to talk to ladies
Yes.
abroad
Yes.
as you are. You
Yes.
talk to them, you advise them, you tell them the reasons why they should be submissive, the reasons why they should know that marriage is for life. Okay? So if before they enter into it, this is for better, for worse.
Yes.
Okay? So that is the reasons why you see our men, they travel home to get wives for themselves.
Okay, before I go into that, what you have discussed with me, so when you go home, you have gone home for 6 months. Do you think so even that person you have met, can it work out, other than the person you have been with overseas? Can it work out? You have gone home 6 months. You have seen a person for 6 months. You have been with the person 4 years, 5 years. And you think that the person you're going to be with for 6 months, that can make the marriage work? Before I go back to your question.
Now, everything is risky here. Okay?
Yeah.
So it all depends.
Yes.
There are many ladies back home there who their husbands abroad, who are obedient, who are submissive, who are managing their husband resources very well back home.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And there are many also who
Yes.
are not.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So, but my question is this: is not good. Okay, that's what I'm pointing at. It's not good. A lady is abroad.
Yeah.
You have been with her.
Yes.
You have spent time with her.
Yes.
You have known her. And when it comes to marriage, you leave her. You go back home to get married.
Yeah.
Because this lady, she believes that she's white.
Yeah.
She believes that she has seen it all. She
Yeah.
believes that maybe she has money.
Yeah.
And she doesn't want to submit.